Premixed tinned woo woo. They might be convenient, but they don't taste great, do they? You're not going to be surprised with any flavour, and your taste buds deserve better. So how about making a woo woo that tastes amazing? The strawberry woo woo. To make yours, take a cocktail shaker and add sliced strawberries, vodka, and peach schnapps. Then give it a muddle to release the strawberry juice. Add cranberry juice to your mixture and top with ice. Lastly, give it a good shake and then strain it into your glass. It looks amazing. Then decorate your drink with a strawberry and some mint. There you go, that's how to make a strawberry woo woo. Now the important part, what does it taste like? Unsurprisingly, it tastes like strawberries. However, the sweet peach schnapps and cranberry juice give it an extra fruity punch. A lovely, refreshing drink. If you plan to try it out, give the video a like. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next drink.